Venus eats, Marcos eats, the missing tooth Mogme, Angela Ortiz, Una Poca Loca, Mrs. to Mrs. Life, Lauren Romanik, but Olivia Moore, Stauba Rosario, Gillian Marie, Veronica Oglesby, so many people, a little bit of everything with Julissa. Guys, thank you so much. You have become part of our kitchen journey, and I really appreciate what you do, and I really appreciate your loyalty. Thank you so much for always being here for me. On today's recipe, I'm gonna be making some ravioli mashed plantains. So if you wanna learn how to get it done, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, because it's a really amazing recipe that I really love. I want to also encourage all the YouTube community to keep working hard, to keep grinding and keep hustling, because this is a game that we have to win. There's gonna be many days that you are not gonna feel like making a video, that you are not gonna feel like being in front of the camera, but I wanna tell you right now, do it because you wanna do it because you enjoy doing it, do it because this is what your goal is. Challenge yourself every single day. It doesn't matter what kind of challenge it is. Do it because of you, do it because of your family, because of your children if you have any. Do it because you are here to win. And winning is what we're looking for. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. And let's get to the video and make some ravioli mashed plantains so that way we can eat our mangú de plátano.
Blinded by the light ahead, thought about just what you said. Connecting lives is what you planned. After all, let's take a chance. Turning dust into diamonds, turning love into guidance. A second chance, let us commence. That's what I love. The life I see. What's left in me? Burning bridges to the ground. So take away what's left of me. Blinded by the ones I lost, connecting lines of which we crossed, which we crossed. Dropped off the scene that side, wishing to have one more fight left in me. The life I see. What's left in me?
Well, guys, I'm getting ready to eat this amazing mangú de plátano or mashed plantains, like however you want to call it. This is one of my favorite dish ever. I serve with some smoked sausage, and I have some orange, red, and yellow peppers on it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for all the support. Thank you so much for commenting, liking. All the people out there always supporting your boy Rock Kitchen, guys. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. I will see you next time with another episode on Rock Kitchen.